Alright, for today's recipe we're going to make sausage balls, and I have my new Ninja Foodie. It's a kind of a chopper, blender, dough maker, probably chop up concrete if you want to. So sausage balls, I got 2 cups of Bisquick bacon mix. I got a pound of sharp cheddar cheese and medium cheddar cheese. And one thing I like to put in the sausage balls I make is pimento cheese. And you can get it spicy or not, but it adds some moisture to it and a little bit of flavor. I'm going to add a half a container of this. Now this is just for a typical sausage ball recipe, probably makes 30 or 40 sausage balls. I have a pound of regular pork sausage and hot sausage, pork sausage. And I'm going to take half of each one of those. And it takes 1 pound of sausage, 2 cups of Bisquick, 1 pound of cheese, and then half a container of this, which would be, it's 11 ounces. That's an odd size. 5 ounces of the pimento cheese. And if your dough for your sausage balls is a little bit dry, you can add a little bit of milk. Just a little bit is all it takes, or they'll get gummy. So I'm gonna go ahead and start adding everything to the Ninja, and we'll get right to it. Alright, so it finished up. Made a dough. I'm going to put this out on the cutting board here, and we'll start doing it. Now, you can mix all this up by hand just fine. But since I got a machine, thought I'd go ahead and do it. Alright, so I got the dough ready. I got my little scooper dooper. And I have a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. You want to do that so you don't have a big mess to clean up. All you do is wad the paper up, throw it away. So let's bring you down here, and we'll speed you through this. Alright, so I have the first batch made up. As y'all can see, it made exactly 34. So your results may vary. So I'm going to get these in a preheated 350 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes till they're good and golden brown. My preference is to have mustard or gravy, so and eggs. But anyway, we'll get these in the oven. I'm going to start on the second batch, and I'll bring you back when these are done.
A few moments later.
Alright, 30 or 40 minutes later, we have sausage balls. And you can tell they are done because they had cooked. About 40 minutes all together. They've done a fine job. It's a little hard to clean. probably for meatballs and doughs and smoothies, it's just fine. So, but I like using it. It worked good. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video. The recipe will be down in the description. That's about all I got to say. I hope everybody's doing well, and thank you for watching the videos. Hit the subscribe button while you're there. That's what I'm forgetting. That and the notification bell. But anyway, hope everybody's having a great evening, and until the next video, thanks for watching.